Hi, my name is Suji Maniam. I'm a developer for Nebius. I'm going to walk you through Nebius Token Factory. We just launched Token Factory. It is an enterprise-grade production inference using open source models. We have over 40 state-of-the-art open source models, Gwens, Kimi, DeepSeeks, and Llama, and many more. You can run those models, or you can fine-tune them for your own needs. We support full fine-tuning and LoRa fine-tuning. And after you fine-tune, you can deploy your models with a single click. Another cool feature of Token Factory is dedicated endpoints. It is a private endpoint that gives you excellent isolation, guaranteed performance, 3.9 uptime, and we handle all the scaling. Another feature we are introducing in the Token Factory is team and access management. So that gives you role-based access control, so you could have projects, users and groups, and assign permissions, single sign-on, and unified billing. We also got you covered for enterprise security. We support HIPAA, SOC 2 Type 2, and various ISO standards. We take data privacy very seriously. We have data centers in US and Europe that support your data privacy requirements, and we practice zero data retention, meaning we do not capture or save your data. So Token Factory is built as an enterprise-grade inference platform. We host state-of-the-art open source models. We support dedicated endpoints, team-based access, single sign-on, great security compliance, and if you need help, we are here to support you. So if you'd like to try Token Factory, check out the link below.